Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install the Arduino IDE on your Mac, step by step. The Arduino IDE is a free software that lets you write, upload, and manage code for your Arduino boards. Let's get started. First, click the link in the video description. It will take you directly to the official Arduino download page. Once you're on the page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see different versions for Mac. Now, before downloading, you need to choose the correct version for your Mac. To check, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About this Mac. If you see something like Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, that means you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. So choose the macOS Apple Silicon version. If you don't see that and it shows an Intel processor, then select the macOS Intel version instead. Once you've selected the right version, click on the Download button. The download will start automatically. After it finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .dmg file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Arduino IDE icon into the Applications folder. Once that's done, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click on Arduino IDE to launch it. If you see a security prompt, just click Open to continue. And that's it. Arduino IDE is now installed and ready to use on your Mac. If this video helped you out, drop a like. It really supports the channel. And for more simple and practical tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.